Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro Yen, on the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely drifting down, but we have to keep in mind the monthly, the weekly, and the daily is definitely up. So anything we see to the downside is very, very, very likely just a pullback within the uptrend. Now, what I said last week in my videos, I think definitely still applies. This is potentially a wave A right here. This looks like a potential 1, 2, 3 wave pattern up for like a wave B. We may already be in a wave C. Most wave C's do take out the low of wave A, but they definitely do not always. So if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 that goes down, maybe makes a wave 5, then goes up and gives me a break of structure to the upside, and I definitely would get back on the long side. Really, like I said, most of the time they do take out the low of wave A. So if it goes down, and then breaks structure up way down here, then that also would be what I would took my long opportunity. So whether this potential wave C makes a higher low and continues up, or whether it goes down and makes a lower high and continues up, I am definitely keeping an eye out for a break of structure on this 1 hour time frame for a possible long opportunity, potentially for the continuation of the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. Also take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.